In this video, I'll show you how to share your picture on iMessage. Follow this updated method to share your picture in iMessage. First of all, we have to enable iMessage in our iPhone. So go to your Settings app and scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Apps. And here you will find all of your iPhone apps. Scroll down and search for Message. Tap on that. And here you will find iMessage. Just enable iMessage. And now tap on Share Name and Photo. And you have to enable Name and Photo Sharing option. Tap on Name. And here you can write your first and your last name. Tap on Done. And now tap on Share Automatically. And you can select here Contacts Only, or you can select Always Ask. And now to add here your photo, tap on Edit. And tap on Customize. Tap on Contact Photo. Tap on Photos, and now from your gallery you will be able to select a photo for your account. Now tap on Next and tap on Done, and that's it. This is how we can share your picture on iMessage. Now on, whenever you send any iMessage to an iPhone, the recipient will be able to see your photo that you just added here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.